I got this sweater the other day from Hollister and I'm just like, I love it so much. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be playing, testing, trying out the brand new relaunch from Makeup Geek. That is right, you guys. I picked up some stuff from the rebrand. I said relaunch a second ago, but it's a rebrand of Makeup Geek, and I'm so super excited because I have never ever tried anything from Makeup Geek before in the past. So I saw this from Raw Beauty Christie. She did a whole video on it and I was like, oh my gosh, you know what? Those seem so fun and they seem very interesting. So I picked up I actually picked up 3 palettes and I'm gonna use them for you today.
I'm so excited about it.
I have glitter all over my face because I wore glitter eyeshadow yesterday and now I'm paying the price for it. But yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and jump into these. I'm super duper excited to show you what I got and the look we're gonna do today. I have no idea, but yeah, let's do that. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. So first things first, I have already used this one right here. I did use it a few days ago because I was so excited and I just literally could not help myself. So basically, Marlene Estelle has rebranded Makeup Geek. I'm so excited about it. Now, to be totally honest, I have never used anything from Makeup Geek in the past and I've never really watched Marlene Estelle as a YouTuber. I have heard about her many a time and I think there was a couple of videos that I watched at some point, but I never have really sat down and watched her channel. So this is this is all very new to me. It's a new environment, it's a new brand I've never tried before. A lot of people are saying that it's phenomenal and I'm so excited about it because I've heard that it's just great. I've heard that Marlena is such a sweetheart and that she is so true and honest and just a very genuine, nice person. I'm like super sick. My ears are all stopped up right now, so I feel like I'm inside of a barrel. I cannot hear myself, so if I'm screaming at you, I'm really sorry. Also, you may notice, or you may not notice, but I'll tell you anyways, me and Raph got a new bed. We have the same sheets, but we did end up getting a queen size frame and a queen size mattress, and I'm so excited because that means we have more space, and I love that. I love that so much. I have been starting to watch more of Marlena's videos and she's so sweet. Like I'm really enjoying them so far and she seems very genuine. I'm so excited about this rebrand and I'm so excited to try these shadows. Again, I have already tried this one. It's the quad and it's the like flirty quad, something like that. But these all come in single shadows. They're all singles. These palettes, they're all singles. They don't just come together in a palette. You put them in there. This is the Flirty Coral palette or something like that. I got the palette for green eyes, which I have green eyes. And then I got the like romantic palette. Let me look it up. And this does retail for $32.99. So this is the palette for green eyes. And it looks beautiful. It looks absolutely stunning. I've dug my fingernails into a couple of these, so that's great. And then I got the Shades of Romance eyeshadow palette. This one right here. These ones have a little bit more color to it, but they're still super duper pretty. I love these blues. I can't wait to try this. And then the small one that I got is the quad and it was the Flirty Mini palette right here. And this does retail for $14.99. So to be honest, I got 3 whole palettes for I think $72 and I was able to use a discount code. I forgot whose discount code that I used and I think it saved me $8 or something. So $72 for 3 palettes, I'm honestly not mad at that at all. That seems pretty good when it comes to pricing. I haven't swatched any of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a couple. Okay, oh my gosh. So here's the 3 shimmer shades.
Oh.
So here are these shades. Holy actual crap. These look like metallic liquid metal. Like, oh my goodness. These are even more beautiful than I thought they would be. I really want to use that grandstand shade, this middle one right here. Oh my goodness, that looks so pretty. So we're gonna do that. Something quite simple today. So I want to start off with this shade right here, this super duper light shade. and this is called Beach Please. And then I'm gonna go into that shade. It seems very, very light, and I'm just gonna put that kind of all over the eye. Oh yeah, okay, so it's pretty light. Like I said, it is very cool tone. It kind of just looks like a nice gray on the lid. It's blending out so nice, but like, that's very light. You can see it a bit, but it's still super duper light. I do want to do something just very simple today. I can't talk. Me and Raph are going out to Target today to get some supplies for baby, and we are kind of having too much fun buying like toys for her and treats, and she's done so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. So we got her about a week ago. Literally, what's today? Monday? We got her last Sunday. We've had her for 1 week and 1 day now, and she's just doing so good. She's so smart. She has learned how to go to the potty on the wee pad. I know a lot of people say don't do wee pads, and I understand why, absolutely. The only reason that we're doing wee pads right now is because she doesn't have all of her puppy shots yet. She's going on the 10th of February to get her next shot, and then she has one more to get after that, and I do live in an apartment complex, so I don't want to take her outside just in case there's any other dogs. And my literal next door neighbor, the one right in front of me, has a lab, big dog. I don't know where that dog goes to the bathroom out there. I'm just afraid to take Kiva out there right now, just in case of any other dogs that have anything, or I don't know, any kind of other puppy diseases that she can get, so I don't want to risk it. So we are just having her pee on a wee pad right now, and then after she gets her other shots and after she's grown up a little bit, we'll take her outside. But she's done so well. She's done such a good job when it comes to learning where to go. Like she goes in the wee pad, she'll pee on it, no problem at all. She knows exactly where to go and she does it every time. But for pooing, she will not poo on it. And I don't know why. Does anybody else know that? Please let me know. So this is the crease shade. It's definitely just very light. It's gray. I like it. It blends it out very nicely. We're gonna go into this deeper shade right down here, and this one is called Give Me the Dirt. And then we are going to put that one on the outer part of the eye, and we will just blend this into the crease just a little bit. And then I think I may actually want to do some kind of halo eye situation today. This is blending out like a freaking dream. Hello. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go into a different brush and put this on the inner part as well. Well, again, I love how I said we're gonna do something quite natural today, and this is turned into a smoky eye. I never know why this happens. So this shadow definitely is a lot more gray than I thought that it was gonna be. In the pan, it definitely looks more like a kind of dark brown color, kind of like a dark ashy brown color, but on the lids it's definitely pulling a lot more gray. I like it a lot. I want to go in with this Grandstand shade. Oh my goodness. And just kind of put it, oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, I love that shade. And it applies so good with your finger, like just your finger. Like this is not wet, this is just a... My mom called me, by the way, that's why you heard the phone ring. Ah, this is so pretty. This is really pretty. You guys, I feel like it doesn't look as good on camera as it does in person. Like in person, it looks so pretty, but like on camera, it doesn't do it justice. And this shade right here, that Grandstand shade, oh my goodness, I'm gonna be using that one just like by itself. It's so nice. Let's move on to the face. And then I really want to use I haven't used this in a few videos, my Milk Makeup Hydro Gripping Setting, a Hydro Gripping Primer. I haven't used this in a few videos. Oh wait, oh my gosh, I want to go over the other ones with you. So we just used this one right here for green eyes. Let's look at this one right here. This is the like romantic one. And then we have these, oh, beast. These really, oh my goodness gracious. These are some fantastic shimmers. I'm gonna swatch the teal shade, like this really pretty like aqua color. Oh, that's so so pretty. Oh my gosh, these just are so nice. So for the face, I'm gonna use this primer. You know, I just need to quit saying,
we're gonna do a light look and it's gonna be natural.
9 times out of 10, my makeup looks never come out actually looking natural. So like, who am I kidding? I need to stop joking myself and like just be like, yeah, we're gonna do something really bold. I'm gonna use my beauty blender today. I'm still freaking loving the Tarte beauty sponge. I use it, not sponge, but like puff, you know what I mean? I've been using it almost every single day when I do my makeup, but I thought I would switch it up for this video. Man, the beauty blender still does so much work. Like, I genuinely love the beauty blender. Since me and Raph got Kiva, I have literally been watching like non-stop. It's been for like a week straight. Other people getting their puppies, like puppy haul videos. I watched the one from Rosanna Pansino. It was so cute when she got blueberry muffin, and it was just the cutest thing ever. And then like I watched when Justine got her dog. It was a while ago, but I rewatched that. And then I rewatched when Jenna and Julian got Peach. And it was just so cute. I was just like such in a puppy mood. So like I've been watching so many people get their dogs. There was one couple, or was it a couple? I don't remember, but they got a Dalmatian puppy. Oh my gosh. Because it's very iconic. Like the Dalmatian's pretty iconic dog. I don't know, but I think it's so cute. And I've just been doing so much research on the Maltese dog breed. Kiva is a Maltese and Bichon mix. So she has the same mannerisms as a Maltese, but she has a little bit of Bichon in her. And really great thing, she is hypoallergenic. I'm super allergic to animals in general. Like I'm allergic to cats and dogs and basically everything else when it comes to animals. But when I saw Kiva on that Facebook page, I was like, oh my gosh, this is like the best thing ever, because I forgot to say this in my video, but I wanted a dog so badly that was hypoallergenic because I'm so allergic to animals. And when I saw her, I was just like,
Lord!
Like, I'm so happy. But I've been watching a lot of videos on people getting their dogs, and Raph is like, hey Kenzie, I know that you're so excited, and I'm so excited to have Kiva as well. Genuinely, I am. I love her to pieces, and I love you so much, but can we please watch something that's not this? Because that's literally all I've been watching for the past like week. I'm sorry, Raph, you've been such a trooper and you're the best. Because he really does love Kiva. He loves Kiva a lot, and he's so happy that we got her, but I know I know what he means. Like I get into those moods to where when I find something that I want to watch, like a person, like if I find a new person to watch or a new type of video to watch, I will watch that type of video or that person for like a week straight and not watch anything else. And you know, he's in the same room as me, like the living room and the bedroom and everything. So he's like,
Babe, maybe do you think possibly can we watch something else?
and I'm like, oh man, all right. For highlight today, I'm actually gonna go into a palette that I haven't used in a very long time. This is the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis palette. Such a good palette. I don't know why I haven't used this more, but this palette is so freaking good. I'm gonna go into this highlight right here called Mirage. It is literally such a good highlight. If you ever get your hands on the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis palette, never give it up, because these palettes, they're quite cheap, I believe, but the mattes are so beautiful. The metallics in here are literally so creamy. Oh my gosh, something I just thought of and something that I want to talk to you guys about. So Jeffree Star has released, like as I'm filming this, they're already gone, they've already been released, but on January the 31st, Jeffree released his mystery boxes for Valentine's Day. And I am so excited because I was able to get the Supreme box, the biggest box. Apparently, the Supreme box sold out in 8 minutes. I saw that on his Twitter, and I was like, oh my gosh, because I got there like directly. I had like 2 alarms set just to make sure that I didn't miss the launch. It sold out in 8 minutes. I cannot actually believe it, but I'm really excited because he keeps hyping it up, and I can't wait, because he even said on Twitter, for those that got the Supreme box, that you're in for a huge surprise. I have no idea what it is, but I'm hyped for it. I cannot wait. I know there was some people that were having issues on mobile. I know that has to be like a huge disappointment. I totally understand. So if any of that happened to you guys, and if you were on mobile, I hope you were able to get at least something like one of the like deluxe or the premium box, something like that, because I'm just so excited. I'm gonna do my brows off camera and then I'll come right back. And I'm back. Also really quick, I wanted to point out that me saying these things about the Jeffree Star mystery box launch, I am in no way trying to like brag or do anything like that. I do know a lot of people were not able to get it, so please, I'm not trying to be like braggy or being like, haha, I got it, you didn't. Not at all. That's not how I am. That's not who I am at all. I'm just gonna choke on my own spit really quick. Goodness. I'm just trying to share my excitement with you, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this so we can kind of like theorize together and see kind of what we think may be in it. Like, he said it's like a new thing, maybe like an exclusive thing. I don't know, maybe he did like a small mini Valentine's palette that we don't know about. I don't know, but if he did a palette, I'm sure he would want everyone to buy the palette. So I have no idea what the surprise could be. Let me know if you know anything. Let me know if you have any ideas. I'm gonna go back into the shade called Gimme the Dirt and run that along the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go into the top shade right here, and then I'm going to use that as a little inner corner highlight. Oh yes. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Okay, so this is the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara really quick, and we're basically almost done, you guys. I'm gonna do some mascara off camera real fast. I'm gonna use my Lancome, the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara, and I'll be right back. Wingardium Leviosa. And back. So last thing is lipstick. I got a couple of these from Colourpop. I got these new Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipsticks, and I think we're gonna go for the nudes today, because if I were to pair pink with this, I think it would be a little, that would be a look. It has two of them in here. We're gonna go with this one right here. This is in the shade Room Service, and then this one is in the shade Get Money. I'm gonna go with Room Service right here. It looks very, very pretty. These are like their luxe formulas that are a lot more airy, kind of like the blotted lips. I love it. I love this formula. It's so light, it's so airy, but this is beautiful. Obviously, I could also see myself wearing a black lip with this, like a full-on black lip. I think it would go beautiful with this. So you guys, that is it. This is the completed look using this palette from Makeup Geek. Again, this is the palette that's meant for green eyes. They have a blue eyes one, they have a hazel eyes one, a hazel and brown eyes one. I am so unbelievably surprised with these shades. I knew they were good. I don't mean surprised as in I think they were gonna be bad. I'm surprised at the fact that I've never used them before. How? I've heard that they're very good from multiple people, and once Marlena did this rebrand, I was like, yo, you know what, these look really nice. I watched Christy's video when she reviewed these first, and I was just like, these look freaking beautiful. They look stunning, and I'm so excited about it. Congratulations to Marlena for this rebrand, for knocking it out of the park. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try this other one with like these teal shades in it. It's gonna be amazing. A+ for the Makeup Geek rebrand for these shadows. I didn't have any issues skipping. I didn't have any issues blending. The metallic shade was full pigmentation, stunning, beautiful. Mwah! Chef's kiss without any water, setting spray, anything like that. Oh, speaking of setting spray, can't forget mine. Sorry, I got distracted. But A+ for these shadows. They're so beautiful. And can you tell anything? Does it make my green eyes pop? Does it? I don't know. But yeah, you guys, this is going to be the end of the video here today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!